Very excited to be here and in the Pacific Cup this weekend. You know, for us it's all about trying to get maximum points and I suppose taking home the win at this event. It'll be just as competitive as what it's been over in New Zealand, and we've been working hard and doing our prep for this event, so yeah, the plan's to go out and max attack.
Yeah, it's really exciting to be part of the Asian Pacific. You know, as you said, Dad did well so many years ago in it, and it's exciting that it's back in Australia. Tasmania is a great spot for it, and it's awesome to be able to compare ourselves against the best.
Yeah, we had a really good day here in Tasmania. The conditions this morning were very icy, which made it reasonably tricky, but very happy to be leading the Pacific Cup at the end of today, and yeah, first time I've led an APRC, so very excited about that and looking forward to trying to continue it tomorrow.
Yeah, look, it's been a weekend of learning for us, learning the car. Saturday afternoon we started to get to grips with the car a bit, and this morning was really good. Unfortunately we got a flat rear right tyre, so we dropped 3.5-4 minutes changing that. But you know, today we've been really happy with our pace. We've been able to sort of match it with the guys up the front, and yeah, just really looking forward to the next outing.
Yeah, so we finished third overall in the Asian Pacific. We're over the moon. You know, we had a great weekend. We were consistent all weekend, and very happy with our result. It was challenging conditions with the icy stages yesterday morning, and it was slippery again this morning, but we got through and third overall for the event, so we're very happy.
Yeah, so day 2 of the APRC Pacific Cup was a really challenging one for us. Second coming into it, and then in the morning I don't know what we hit, but there was something in the road that I didn't see and damaged the front left control arm and the rear right ball joint, and then we lost the front brakes. So yeah, we managed to do it. Malcolm did a very quick block off the brake line before the next stage, so we were able to try to minimise the time loss, and then we had a big gap that we had to try and catch up this afternoon, so it was maximum attack the Savo, and we just had a fantastic afternoon of rallying and really enjoyed the stages, and got back up from 4th to 2nd again, so we're all good.
And the winners of both the APRC Pacific Cup round and the Australian Rally Championship round number 3, Harry Bates and John McCarthy.
Yeah, another really good day here in Tasmania, and we managed to take out the Pacific Cup for the weekend, which is an amazing result for us. Obviously our first win at APRC level, so very excited, and yeah, looking forward to trying it all over again in Ballarat next month. Yeah, absolutely. I think, you know, Ballarat next month will be a massive challenge. Obviously we've got Molly and Lewis from this weekend who will be right there with us, but then also Hayden Paddon, so it's something that I'm really looking forward to. Competing against a world rally driver in Australia is an amazing opportunity, so I just can't wait to get out there and do that event and have a crack.